In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change hyperlink color in Mailchimp. Whether you're looking to enhance your email's readability or ensure that your links stand out, adjusting the hyperlink color is a simple way to personalize your campaigns. So let's get started and guide you through this swift and easy process, which should only take about 5 minutes. First things first, you'll need to head over to Mailchimp's website and log into your account. If you haven't logged in recently, make sure your username and password are on hand. Once you're comfortably inside your account, the next step will be to navigate to the campaign section. In the top menu, you should see the option labeled Campaigns. Click on it to bring up a list of all your campaigns. In this section, you'll see all campaigns. From here, take a moment to browse through and select the specific campaign you want to edit. This is where we'll make those hyperlink color changes. Now that you have your campaign selected, it's time to focus on the content. Look for the section titled Body or Text. Your hyperlinks are likely located in these sections, so you'll need to identify where those links are embedded. If your link is in a content block, you'll be dealing with the body section. Otherwise, if it's within a specific paragraph or area, that's your target. With the section identified, let's move on to editing the link color. You'll want to focus on the body style or text color settings. Explore these settings a bit to locate the link color option. This is where you can customize the appearance of your hyperlinks. Whether you're looking for a subtle shade or a bold hue, be sure to choose a color that matches your branding and makes your links easily identifiable to your readers. After you've selected your desired link color, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the Save and Close button within your settings. Clicking this ensures that your adjustments are applied to your campaign, keeping your new hyperlink colors intact the next time you send out an email. And there you have it. You've just changed the hyperlink color in your Mailchimp campaign, giving your emails a fresh and engaging look. Customizing hyperlink can make all the difference in reader engagement and professionalism of your email campaigns. Thank you for tuning into this quick guide, and I hope you found the process as straightforward as promised. If you have any other questions or need further help with selecting shades or troubleshooting any issues, don't hesitate to reach out. Until next time, happy emailing.